Hello everyone. In exercise 7.3, the concept of permutation is there. And you know it very well, the difference between permutation and combination. That in permutation, order is very important. Order is very important. Okay. So you have to careful that while getting the mixed question, you have to find out whether the question is asking about the order part, or you have to think कि यहाँ पर whether the order is important or not, and then only you will apply the concept of either permutation or combination. So it depends upon the question. First question. In first question, the question is how many 3-digit number can be formed using the digit 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated. 3-digit number formed from 1 to 9 and no digit is repeated. These questions we can do it with the fundamental principle of counting also. With that also we can do it. Okay. And since formed is written, formation, 3-digit number you have to make and no digit repeated. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम order की बात करते हैं, if we will change the digit, if the number is 123, 123, if we will change its order, if we will write it as 213, then the digits will get changed, the number will get changed. So it means that in this question, order is important. Okay, so we will use the concept of the permutation here. 3-digit number and no digit is repeated. As I have told it, we can do these questions with the concept of, that is, the fundamental principle of counting also. Fundamental principle of counting. Okay, 3-digit number. So I am taking the both concept 3-digit number. This is the first way by using the fundamental principle of counting. No digit is repeated. So this is units, tens, hundreds. So out of 9 number you can take any one, and since no digit is repeated, so 8 and 7. So according to the fundamental principle of counting, so the ways will be 7 into 8 into 9. That is, I think it will come as 502. Now, if we have to go this question with the permutation, how can we use it? Permutation, the part is NPR. This we have already discussed it. Since order is important, so हम यहाँ पे permutation we will use it. N means total. Out of total, how many we are taking together? So by using the permutation, the other way is out of 9 digits, since digits are not repeating, so out of 9 you are selecting, you are taking 3 numbers at a time. Okay, so this will become N, this one is N and this is R. So out of 9 we are taking 3 numbers together. So this is 9 factorial NPR. What is the formula here? N factorial upon N minus R factorial. So N factorial upon 9 minus 3 factorial. So it will come as 9 factorial upon 6 factorial. अब अगर हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे, 8, 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. So we are getting this same 9 into 8 into 7, and here also we are getting it as 9 into 8 into 7. So we will get the answer of this with any method. Okay. Come to the second question. In second question, how many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? How many 4-digit numbers with no digit repeated and the numbers are The numbers will be from 0 to 9. With these numbers you have to make the 4-digit number. अब अगर आप यहाँ पर देखें 4-digit number, if I will make the total 4-digit number, अगर आप देखते हैं like this, 4-digit number you have to make it. If I will take 0 over here, then it will become 3-digit number. तो हमारे यहाँ से by taking the digit from 0 to 9, if we have to make the total 4-digit numbers, तो उसमें क्या होगा? Let's see, from 0 to 9 there are 10 digits. Okay, so 10 P, and you have to make 4-digit numbers. 10P4. अब इस 10P4 में आपके नंबर्स ये भी इंक्लूड हो रहे हैं, like this. It can be any number 1, 2, 3 or 0, 2, 1, 3 or 0, 4, 5, 6 like this. So 10P4 में आपके ये नंबर भी इंक्लूड हो रहे हैं, in which the 0 is written at 1000th place. But according to the question, we have to make 4-digit number only. So what we have to do? Tell me, what we have to do? That out of 10P4, we have to remove these numbers. जहां पे आपका 1000 place पे 0 आ रहा है, because then in that case it will become 3-digit number, isn't it? So out of 10P4, in 10P4 आपके 3-digit numbers भी included हैं. Why? Because 1000 place पे 0 वाले number भी आ जाएंगे. So what we have to do? Out of 10P4 we have to delete, we have to minus, subtract 3-digit number. Okay, so ये 0 वाले number नहीं होने चाहिए. So what should be the total number now? बताइए. So total number will be 9. Out of 9, which how many we have to take together? These 3. So 9P3. Okay, and now 10 factorial upon 10 minus 4 factorial minus 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3 factorial. And further you can do it 10 factorial upon 6 factorial minus 9 factorial upon 6 factorial. So how will you do further? कैसे करेंगे इसको? You can take its LCM, so it will become 10 factorial minus 9 factorial upon 6 factorial. Now solve it, you will get the answer. So how will you? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, and here you will write it 9, 8, 7, 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. Take 6 factorial common, it will be cancelled out, and then you can solve it further. Okay, so this is the one way. Or by using this concept, fundamental principle of counting, with that method also you can do it. आप पहले क्या करेंगे? You have to make 4-digit number. So here it will become, no digit is repeated. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 minus, then you have to do 3-digit number. Same answer you will get it. Clear? Okay. Now in question 3. Question 3 is, how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed, can be made using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 if no digit is repeated? Even number we have to make it. So even number, no digit is repeated. Here the even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So what does it mean? 3-digit even number बनाना है. So it means at unit place, इन तीनों में से कोई एक नंबर होना चाहिए. So एक तो आपका बन गया out of these 3 or any one. ओके, अब इवन नंबर में आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री एनी वन यू विल टेक इट। अब आपको क्या करना है, नाउ यू हैव टू मेक दी 3 डिजिट नंबर। अब एक नंबर आपका यूनिट प्लेस पे आ गया, इवन नंबर। नाउ द लेफ्ट नंबर इज 5 नंबर विल बी देयर, इजंट इट? एक नंबर आपका इवन प्लेस पर आ गया। नाउ द रिमेनिंग नंबर्स विल बी 5। अब क्या करेंगे, you have to make 3 digit number. This has come, you can write it like this. Let it be, these are the places. In this, out of 2, 4, 6, any number you can take it. So TP1. Now these are the 2 digits left out. 3 digit number you have to make it. In 2 places पर अब एक नंबर तो आपका यहां पे आ गया, सिंस डिजिट्स आर नॉट रिपीटिंग, सो नाउ द लेफ्ट ओवर आर 5. सो दीज 2 प्लेसेस विल बी टेकन आउट ऑफ 5 नंबर्स. यू कैन प्लेस एनी 2, these 2 and multiply them together. So these will be the cases. आप इसको 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial multiply 3 factorial upon 3 minus 1 factorial. Now it will be 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, 3 factorial upon 2 factorial. You cancel कीजिए. So it will be 5, 4, 3 and 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. Cancel 20 and 60. So there will be 60 numbers you can make it over here. Question 4th. Question 4th is, find the number of 4 digit number can be formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated. 4 digit number you have to make it. Okay. So out of these 5, no digit is repeated. So out of these 5, you have to take any 4. Since 4 digit number order is important, so permutation. So it is 5 factorial upon 5 minus 4 factorial. So this is 5 factorial upon 1 factorial. Now you can solve it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So it will come as 120. Now for second case is, how many of these will be even? How many of these will be even? This is same as this question. Now 4 digit number. 4 digit number you have to make it. So there are 2 even numbers. So here out of 2 and 4, anyone can take the place. Now the left is this. So how will you write it? Tell me. So this part, how will you take it? Out of 2, any one you can take. Now one number will be shifted here. Now the left over number will be 4. So out of 4, any 3 number you can take it for this place and then solve it. It will come as 4 factorial upon 1 factorial multiply 2 factorial upon 1 factorial. Solve to get the answer. Now come to the next question. In question 5, it is written 8 person. From a committee of 8 person, 2 person has to be chosen, chairperson and vice chairman. Chairman and vice chairman, and no person can hold more than one position. One position no one can hold it. So out of 8 person, we have to choose 2. One is chairman and the other one is vice chairman. So out of 8, we are taking 2 at a time. So this will be the answer. Question 6. In question 6, you have to find the value of n if this ratio this equal 1:9. So again use the computation concept, n factorial upon n minus r factorial. If you will solve it, you will get this. So cancel it. The left part will be n minus 1 factorial upon n factorial equal 1/9. Now to solve this part further, अब हमें ये जो फैक्टोरियल है, the terms are given in the n form. अब हमें फैक्टोरियल में यहाँ पर दोनों में से out of these two we have to expand one of them. अगर देखिए first one, if we will expand the upper part, numerator n minus 1 factorial, what term you will get it? n minus 1 factorial. अगर हम इसको expand करें, you will get n minus 1. Next will be again n minus, again you will subtract 1, so it will become n minus 2 and so on. So like this you will get it. And if you will expand the denominator n factorial, what it should be? N multiply n minus 1 factorial and so on. Okay, so which one we will expand it further? The lower one, so that the terms will be cancelled out. So it will be n minus 1 factorial and the denominator is n into n minus 1 factorial. Why we are expanding the denominator? So that we can cancel the terms. So this is equals to 1/9. It cancel हो जाएगा. So n equal 9 we will get it. But if you will expand the upper part, you will not get the answer because the terms will not be cancelled out. So this thing you have to choose very carefully that which part we will expand. Question 8. Question 8 is how many words with or without meaning and each letter we have to take it only once by using each letter once. Equation, this is the letter. अब इससे with or without meaning we have to. So one letter can be this one, which we have already taken it. Second letter can be like this. We can reshuffle it like this and so on. But here it is written each letter only once. आपको एक ही बार लेना है. So what should be the answer here? How many words with or without meaning? With or without meaning. It means here the order is important. चाहे उसका meaning है या नहीं है. So how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 8, how many you are taking selecting together? You are taking 8. With or without meaning. Each letter, by using each letter only once. We are taking each letter. Okay, so NP8, what it should be? 8 factorial. कैसे आएगा? 8 factorial upon 8 minus 8 factorial. So this is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. So it will be 8 factorial. So you can write it directly also 8 factorial. Why? Because NPN equal n factorial. Okay. Question 9. Question 9 is how many words with or without meaning can be made from word Monday if no letter is repeated. No letter is repeated. 4 letter Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. So there are 6 letters, 4 letters at a time. So it will be 6P4. So 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. Taking all letters together. So it will be 6P6. So this is 6 factorial as according to this. All letters but the first letter should be vowel. So vowel. First letter should be vowel. From here, O and A are vowels. Okay? So out of these two, you have to take one. And what should be the left now? Monday. 5 letters will be left out. 1 letter यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So out of, now the leftover will be 5. So what should be? 5p. It should be 5p5, isn't it? तो आपने एक लेटर यहाँ पे रख दिया and the left letters will be 5. So out of 5 you are taking 5 at a time. So one letter will be left out. So here you will write it. Instead of writing it over here, so one letter we have taken it here. The left letter, मान लीजिए आपका ये vowel हमने ले लिया यहाँ पर first letter. So the leftover digits will be, letters will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you are taking 5 at a time. Now and cross multiply to get the answer. Now that's all for today. We will take the remaining questions in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.